That's usually the way it is with some.
Yeah, we got a muscle deer.
Yeah, it honks to let you know, like, hey.
Yeah. I haven't seen any deer today, but usually when you're back here, you run them out. But I haven't seen any today,
Yep.
which is unusual.
Yeah.
Very unusual. I don't know.
Which actually, when I lived on Ellis Grove, I used to live on a retired chicken farm.
Yeah.
And we had farmers behind my house in front, especially during harvest season out in the field.
I usually run them out of here, but I haven't seen any today.
Mhm.
You might see some in the back. Not usually much back there because they usually eat it right up.
Yeah. Are you don't have the modern type screens on your side?
This is an older combine now.
Yeah.
It doesn't show how many bushels you're getting per acre. We don't have that.
What is it, like, this combine's what?
19. That's a good question, buddy. I ain't quite sure. I'll be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest. We've had her quite. I don't know. I'm not gonna say because I'd be lying. I don't know just what year she is.
Yeah.
It's been that long.
My older brother, he actually works at a place in Georgetown called Kroger Trailers. Where it's,
I know.
oh, you know that place?
Well, I know where it's at. I don't know them personally, but I do know. See, this is where we're going to end up going.
Oh, okay, I see.
Right down in there.
Oh, right in there?
Yeah, all the way to the back. There's a little, I'll say a 4-acre field. If there's much in there, I'd be very surprised.
Yeah.
Because it's just, the deer just
Eat it up.
Yeah, yeah. And if it's soybeans,
Mm-hmm.
God help me, because when they're just little, real small.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. I'd go back there some night, you see 20-some deer.
Mm-hmm. Now, I was talking to your brother. I said, you know those newer style combines like the S7 and the X?
Yeah, ST, whatever, yeah. Yeah, they got all kinds of monitors and stuff where you can tell just how many bushels per acre you're getting.
Yeah. And it also has the newer sensors and stuff.
I think I got the wrong road there. We'll have to come back and pick that one up.
Yeah, come back and get that little bit.
Yeah, I think I got my stuff there.
Yeah.
Or I tell you what happened when we planted it. We got too close and planted it. We rode together.
Now, an honest question, because you probably know this. So, especially when you guys especially in the spring and summertime when we get a lot of rain, how difficult is it to get planting season done? When you guys...
It just depends on the weather.
Yeah.
I mean, if you have a real wet spring, I've seen times when we're planting corn in June
Mm-hmm.
because we can't get on it. Now, after so many days in June, you have to go to soybeans because they won't have time to develop. Yeah, I messed up here. Well, it don't matter.
Yeah, just get what you can. Yeah, the last time I saw the field out in front of my house, there was a farmer there. He planted half the field with corn and the other half soybeans. I'm like, what in the world? Never seen that before.
Where do you live at?
Live here on Taylor Mill.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, down the road. My house is actually fenced in, so you can't really, and it's covered up by trees, so you can't really tell where it's at.
So you know what's her name? Buddy Short.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I think I got this stuff there. I'll take you to this backfield. I'll show it to you.
All right.
Yeah, it might be 4 acres, but it ain't much.
Yeah. And then you'll what? Come back around and
Oh yeah, then I'll come back and drop you off if you want to.
yeah.
And I will take you back there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, boys. More static last year back here when we had all that rain and they had to fix it.
Yeah.
I haven't. This would be the first time the combine's been back there this
Really?
year. Yeah, we're getting ready to find out something. We'll see, but I think it'll. I've been back there.
Now this row header, this is a it's not a, it's what, a six no
row.
yeah, 6 row head.
6 row header.
It's not 12.
No, 6. It comes 6, 8, 12. You can get. Let's see, where's this road? Because there ain't much of a
There
road.
it right there.
All right, boys, here we go.
Let's hope we don't get stuck.
No, we won't get stuck. I just, yeah, they fixed it. 'Cause it washed
Hey, I
out.
see, yeah.
It washed out. I don't know. It was one day last year that we had all that rain.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, they've got it good.
Yeah, they got it fixed up.
Yeah, we're all right. This is the first time I've been back here. Shit, it actually looks like the best I've seen.
Yeah.
Here. Usually there ain't much to it. There's, just deer. I don't know what's it. That smells pretty good back here this year.
It does.
Gonna have to go get that other truck.
Mm-hmm. So you guys come out in the field, especially like early in the morning?
Yeah, you can't start too early because it's so damp.
Yeah.
It won't, she just won't have to. She won't.
Mm-hmm.
We usually have to wait till the sun gets up. Now when we're planting, we'll go out there at daybreak.
Yeah.
But when you're picking, and especially soybeans, if you have say a real damp morning, a lot of,
Mm-hmm.
you can't even start till like afternoon
Yeah.
because it just will not. It won't dry up. Yes, a little bit back here. Get her from there now. I'm running enough.
Now, do you guys have stalk stompers on this thing?
Have what?
Stalk stompers?
No.
No?
We got about 300 more acres.
Wow.
But we're doing all the dry land first. Most of what we've got left is irrigated.
Yeah. that probably won't get. You don't want that tearing up your machine.
No. Have to come back in with a tractor. Shut up.
Yeah. Oh, you got a little sensor up there to let you know when the grain tank's full.
Oh yeah, when the green tank is full, or if anything goes wrong, that thing will light up like a Christmas tree, and then you better stop.
Yeah, you might want to inspect. Yeah.
Because you'll be tearing. If there's something going wrong,
Yeah.
you'll be tearing something up in a heartbeat.
Mm-hmm.
If any light comes on,
You need to stop and look at it.
you need to stop, and it'll tell you just what's what.
Yeah.
So, and it's when when the tank gets full, it's just the grand tank full right there. It'll come on.
Are you gonna go back up?
Go down,
All right.
open up the other end. I wouldn't start right there, but when I planned it, I started here,
Mm-hmm.
coming this way. So I want to make sure. Just like a while ago, I got messed up in my rows.
Yeah, you're trying to follow the rows.
I'm trying to keep up with them, but yeah, I tried to. Come back, maybe we can get this right here. We ain't gonna be into the tree. Just use this head side while
Yeah, I see it.
ain't much air, but.
Now, do you guys have a bean field you cut to, or?
Oh yeah, we got about 300 or 400. We kill about 800 some. So we got about 300 some acres of beans. We better get over. Sometimes you have to leave a little bit.
Because there's some things you gotta try and
You
avoid.
don't want to get her hung up.
No.
Because I've done that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll be honest with you. I've gotten into
You've had it stuck a time or two.
I've been into the woods, not a lot, but I have done it. But you trying to get too close and stuff, and next thing you know, you
Get hung up and
Yeah.
you're wondering why you're not going anywhere.
yeah, no one wants to. You hear something, just you're like, what in the hell have I done? This is green. But then you can see it's tall, but it ain't got much on it.
Yeah. Now, you guys don't usually start picking your beans till what?
It'd be 1st of November, probably.
Okay.
Somewhere in that range. End of October. And like I said, if you it's real. You got a lot of dew and stuff. You can't start leaving after lunch. It's got to dry out. Corn's different. Stalks can be wet. Stalks can be wet on corn, but it doesn't affect the corn in here. I'll put this at the top a little bit now. This is what I thought we could see. You can see what they've been eating on.
Yeah. Now whose field is that over there? You don't know.
Jerry Dukes.
Mr. Dukes?
Jerry Dukes. Yeah, that field in the back,
Mm-hmm.
that's Jerry Dukes.